To add a progress bar, we're going to use a library called React Native Progress. With this library, we can add beautiful progress bars to our apps. Now, look at the installation instructions. All we have to do is to install this library using npm. There are no additional steps. There are no extra configurations that we have to do to our iOS and Android projects. So even though this library is not officially part of Expo ecosystem, we can still use it in Expo projects because there are no additional configurations that we have to do to our native projects, okay? Now note that if you want to use a pie or a circle component, you have to install an additional library called React Native Art. In this course, we're going to use a basic progress bar, this one over here. So here in the terminal, let's install React Native Progress. All right, the version I'm using is version 4.1.2. Now, back in the upload screen, we should import everything as progress from React Native Progress. Okay, so now we want to replace this text component with a progress bar. We set progress to progress. We can set the color to our primary color. So we import our color palette and use the primary color. We can also give this a width of 200. Let's see what happens. So take a look. Let's add a listing. All right. Here's our progress bar. Beautiful. Now let's see what happens if we post this one more time. Did you see that weirdness? The progress bar goes back and then comes forward. The reason this is happening is because we're not resetting the progress value. So in our listing edit screen, here in the handle submit function, before we show the upload screen, we have to reset the progress value. So set progress to 0. Now take a look. It always starts from 0. Beautiful. So the next step is to show the done animation when the upload is done. We'll do that next.